Okay, Access Chapter 3 talks about queries and reports. So we create queries. You can consider queries kind of maybe a permanent filter, something that you save. Of course, again, every time you add records to a table, the queries will automatically get updated. So queries answer questions. The word query kind of means to ask. So for Review 1, we are using Chapter 3, Review 1, Organic Products Database. And we're going to use Design View to create a query. So I'm going to click on the Create and Query Design. And we're going to use data from the Products table and the Inventory table. So I am on the Tables tab here, and I'm going to double click on Inventory to add it, and Products. If you add a table twice by accident, or you add one that you don't want, when we're done here, we can close this. You can just select the one that you want to get rid of and use the delete key on your keyboard to make it go away. If there's extra fields in here that you can't see, you might want to size these a little bit. And we are going to define the query to find all products with less than 100 items in stock. And we want to display the product number. So I am going to choose the product number from the products table. And the product name. And the quantity field, and we need to get that from the inventory table. And you can see there is a one-to-one relationship here. They have the same primary key in both tables. That's a little unusual, but that is creating this one-to-one relationship. And we want to see inventory less than 100. So I will use the less than sign, 100. If you can't remember your less than and greater than when you go to run your query, and I'm just going to come down here to the right hand corner and click on Datasheet View. So if these numbers are above 100, then you know you need to go back and readjust. And we are going to save our query. I'll click on the floppy disk icon. Inventory under 100. I'm going to close my query. And now we'll create a report based on this query. So another reason to create. And we're just going to click right on the report button. And we will apply the integral theme. So when we create reports, I'm going to come down here. They open up in layout view, kind of like when you create forms. So this view here is where we do some changing to our layouts, our fonts, things like that. So we're going to actually change the theme. And I'm going to right click on this and apply theme to this object only. Excuse me. We're going to auto fit this cell, the record count cell. I'm going to just get my mouse like it is and double click to auto fit it. And that's it. That's our report. We can close it. When we close it, it'll ask us if we want to save it. And inventory under 100 is the name of the report, so we're good to go, right? Or I could have clicked on the floppy disk icon to save it first and then just closed it.